You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name correctly. A name meaning soldier or merciful. English and Slavic origin. It's generally in English pronounced as Myla. Now in other languages like Spanish or Italian or French, it is pronounced as Mila. So the Mila pronunciation does exist, but it's less common in English. How do you pronounce it yourself? What is your pronunciation? Let us know, let everybody know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.